Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your headphones with the phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud, just remove this application from the cache. Remove it from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to check if you have the last version for this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it. Now, if it didn't help you, also we need to check if you have the last version on for your headphones. So go to the Baseus app, and of course you need to add your headphones to the application. When you did it, tap on them at the device list and go to the settings at the right bottom. Right here we have version, and you need to tap at this line, and I have information that I have the last version if you haven't updated. Also, if it didn't help you, you can restart your device. So I'll use these headphones with this phone, so I should restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. Maybe this is your problem. And if it doesn't, and all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend it to perform a factory reset. Firstly, we need to unpair these headphones from your phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, you need to check if the LED light blinking red and white, and because we actually need to enter pairing mode, because now it's in the pairing mode. After that, you just need to press and hold at the same time volume up button and volume down until the LED light start blinking only red. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers, and then we need to edit. So if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you will see them at the device list. If you don't see them, just turn off and turn on your Bluetooth, and then we need to tap at these headphones at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!